Dr. Snigdhadeep Saha, a pathfinder blending his traditional knowledge in homeopathy with modern cosmetology techniques to provide solutions for hair fall and hair regrowth. He completed his fellowship in medical cosmetology from the Institute of Laser and Aesthetic Medicine. He provides his treatments at a very affordable price. His treatments require only one time visit to his clinic, and thereafter the process can be continued at home with an average sitting cost of just rupees 2000. For his unique blend of traditional and modern medicine for scalp treatment, he has been recognized as the trailblazer and awarded the Virtual Brand Icon of the Year award for 2021. We have Dr. Saha joining us today and sharing his pathfinding experience.
Dr. Saha, welcome.
Thank you.
Let's start by understanding COVID crisis all around and doctors, the medical health, the healthcare community from across India have been working. And there is also, a key role played by alternate medicine doctors. Could you talk about what your experience has been and how can alternate medicine help in current times?
See, in this pandemic situation, in case of first wave also and in the second wave also, I'm treating lots of COVID-19 patients through online consultation. And basically, we are doing this for a long period of time because we don't name a disease always. We treat the patient according to the symptom. So whether it is COVID-19 or it's any sort of viral fever or viral loss of smell or whatever it is, so we treat the patient according to the symptoms. So in this scenario of COVID-19, the main symptoms are loss of taste, loss of smell, fever, lethargy, and in advanced stages, there are loss of oxygen saturation. So we have different medicines according to all the symptoms.
One of the things that people usually talk about, alternate medicine, homeopathy and all, is it takes a lot of long time as compared to allopathy. What does it take? How much time does it take when you compare for the same results with allopathy vis-a-vis alternate medicine like yours?
That's a good question. Basically, whenever a patient is coming to a homeopathic doctor, in 80% of cases, they are coming for chronic disease ailments. Okay. So in case of chronic disease ailments, when allopathy is unable to offer any sort of help and homeopathy is offering help with taking a little bit more time, then what's harm in it? We can always prefer that. In case of acute disease like viral fever or diarrhea, dysentery, in these cases, if we are able to choose the right homeopathic medicine and right potency, it works like magic and is so much faster than allopathy.
So one of the challenges, when it comes to finding a reliable, good doctor of homeopathy or alternate medicine is how do you, know that this is the doctor? What would you advise people to keep those 2 or 3 points to know that this is the doctor you can go to?
Okay, in case of if you are going to a homeopathic doctor, just always observe what sort of question he is asking to you. If he is asking only 2 or 3 questions and making the prescription, or he is taking a long time and taking the case properly, he is asking you what is your desire for sweet, salt, or how is your thirst, how do you feel mentally. These are all very much important questions we need to ask to a patient to individualize that patient from another. And homeopathy solely depends on that only. So in case of, suppose for example, if a patient is coming with fever and another patient is also coming with fever, we cannot prescribe same medicine to both of them. If one is having a large amount of thirst and one is thirstless, the medicines will be totally different. So individualization is the key here. And always observe whether the doctor is asking it or not.
Now let's come to your specialization. You specialize in hair fall, which is people of my age. That's the biggest concern, right? Receding hairline. So receding hairline, what at least we get to hear is something that is going to happen with age, with time, and also given our lifestyle, choices that we make, whether it is food, the way we live. It is going to happen. So what do you have to say to that?
See, there are 2 parts of a hair treatment. Number 1 is hair fall control. Number 2 is hair regrowth. Okay. Hair fall control is pretty easy because there are few reasons behind hair fall, like endocrinological problems like PCOD, thyroid issues, or diabetes mellitus. It can be there. Stress can be there. Genetic factors can be there. Some acute disease after any sort of fever, typhoid, dengue. We experience lots of hair fall. So these can be controlled easily by homeopathic medicines within a short span of 2 or 3 months. If needed, if the scalp circulation is low, then if needed, we can use laser therapy also along with it. So hair fall control is very much a comparatively easy process. But in case of hair regrowth, first we need to check the scalp with a dermoscope. We have that specialized machine. It's called dermoscope. We need to check whether follicles are alive or not. If the follicles are alive, definitely we can help that person. If the follicles are not alive, then only the surgical option, that is hair transplant, that is only left. And in case of if follicles are alive, we have prepared one medicine. Basically, I have a third generation of homeopathy in my family. So behind it, there is a long research for hair fall. So we have prepared one medicine. We spread it over the scalp and use it with a machine, with a cosmetological device. It's called dermostamp. And we prick it on the scalp. And by penetrating the scalp, the medicine goes down to the follicles. And it activates the follicles which are not able to grow. So in this process, we can help those people. If the follicles are alive, definitely regrowth will be possible.
Typically, somebody my age, let's say 50 years old, and if he's experiencing hair fall, what are the chances of, or what percentage of hair growth can be done, assuming that, also you can add as to at the age of 50, what kind of follicles are still alive?
See, we treat lots of patients between the age group of 50 to 60. Okay. And that is the major time when they start losing the scalp hair or the thinning appears. But what I have personally seen during the dermoscope testing, there is always a 20 to 25% regrowth chances there in most of the cases. Okay, so for example, if whatever density you are having right now, in general, 20% can be increased from that density. Okay, we might not be able to reverse the hairline because the hairline follicles turns dead very early. But if you are thinning inside your hairline, any sort of thinning, we'll be able to reverse that.
When somebody is going through a hair treatment, does it require a regular visit to your clinic, or there is people can do things at home?
See, what is advisable, first visit, you should come to the clinic because we need to do that dermoscope testing on your scalp so that we can find out how much percentage of follicles you are having right now. But afterwards, if you can come for the hair regrowth treatment, we do the regrowth treatment once a month in clinic, and we have an alternative also that can be, we provide the medicines and you can use it with derma roller, 1.5 mm derma roller at your home. And we call from our clinic through video call. The instructions are given, how to use the medicines, and you're ready to go. You can use that. So if you want to come for the treatment, that is good. If you cannot come, if you stay abroad or stay a very long, far from the clinic, then you can avail it from home also. It will also help you.
Dr. Saab, thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to hosting you on some of our shows relevant to homeopathy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.